Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. This is how people saw me the last few days when I was working remotely. I really enjoy working with a second screen or an extended screen, and I didn't have the possibility to take this along. So I thought, okay, why don't you take the Apple Vision Pro along for a change and see how that performs? And indeed, I have a huge virtual screen in front of me, which is my laptop screen I can work with. And at the same time, I have my participants in a Webex meeting across the virtual environment. And in the background, I don't have the room I'm sitting in. I have a virtual space. I can just look around. And on the left-hand side, you see where it's all coming from. And the super cool thing is when this gentleman with the glasses says something, I hear the audio from there. Or the lady with the long hair, I hear the audio from her. And spatial audio, it's so impressive in these goggles. It's amazing. It's not only the 3D meetings you can do with our devices, it's also it's mainly the spatial audio actually. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.